Akiaria hindi ya kunyabara uria burigiceni ino iratwarithio na mbere kaunti-ini ya Marsabit, Matiang'i augire maabitha a ugitiri matikuma kaunti-ini ino nginyagia riria thayu ugacokereria.
We will not end the operation until after the general elections, because we want this place to be peaceful during the campaigns, during the elections and even after the general elections.
Matiang'i niongereire na kuuga gukinyaniria riu makiria ma micinga 200 na rithathi 3,000 na ihithukitio kuma riria burigiceni ino yambiriirie.
Over 200 guns have been collected and over 3,000 bullets have been recovered from this operation. From intelligence and the information we have, that there are more guns than the ones that we have collected. We will review this operation when we have around 3,000 or so guns.
Niongereire na kuuga ati kuma hindi iria mukana wa kuma nja gatagati-ini ga thinacara cia hwaini na kiroko wagathikirwo, cieko cia tharikira ni icokete thi na gikiro kinene mugaru na hau kabere.
We will review the operation in another 3 to 4 weeks, and subject to the performance at that time, we will see whether we can review the operation by 1 hour or 2 hours to address the issue of the traders in town who want an additional 1 hour of business, and because they are happy with the operation and they're happy that it is working.
Burigiceni ino iratwarithio na mbere ni maabitha ruhonge rwa GSU o ũndũ ũmwe na maabitha ruhonge rwa kuhurana na uici wa mahiũ.
Many of the administrators, actually, you can tell from the way they are working, have got their loyalties elsewhere, not in providing peace and security to the local people. And that's why some of them are not as forthcoming when it comes to giving information and cooperating with the security agencies who are here.
Hamwe na uguo Matiang'i nianireire ati thirikari ni ikurora weru mukana wa kuma nja kwa ihinda ria ciumia 3 ciukite.
Poor coordination amongst our security teams, infiltration and interference sometimes by politics, and so on. So we will review all this, and we will come back again after 1 month now to institute a proper system. We are going to retrain our administrators here, our local administrators, our assistant chiefs and chiefs in Marsabit. All of them have to be retrained.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.